Hey world, being willing to come back with another video. Family, I wanted to come back and recap. If you didn't get a chance to watch me live the other night when I was talking about the investment opportunities, make sure you check that out because I got into some gold stocks and I wanted to come back and recap that. I didn't get a chance to put in the description box, but I wanted to come back, guys, and give you some information. Now, like I say, this is just for entertainment purposes only. If you are interested in investing and you do have the capital and you have been paying yourself first, remember, investing requires capital. And remember my last videos, I talked about good debt and bad debt. If you want to invest and you don't have the capital, do not be discouraged by not going to get loans. I mean, so many times we go get loans to buy cars and buy houses and buy other things, but nothing to do with good debt. All that to me is bad debt, because anything that's taking money out of your house opposed to bringing it in, that's a liability. You dig? So make sure, family, that when you get into this investment game, do not sleep on the opportunities to utilize your credit. I mean, you work hard to get your credit score up. And remember, millionaires and billionaires get loans. And they get loans so that they can make more capital. See, we get loans to pay bills and get loans to buy cars when we should be getting loans, all right, to build capital, to build assets. Because once you build assets and capital, now you have a foundation of wealth where now you're not going to be taken advantage of when it comes to annual percentage rates. And a lot of you family members, make sure you start looking at interest rates, because I think it's pretty predatory to go get a loan and have anybody charge you 15, 20, 25, 30% for anything. But that's going to happen to you if you do not take advantage of, correcting your credit, okay? You got the 3 credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. Those are all major bureaus that you need to probably monitor your credit so you can get yourself an opportunity to get this money. Like I said before, the stock market is going to crash. I mean, it's inevitable, all right? This particular type of economy we live in, it says capitalism, but the only way you're able to capitalize on it is if you have the capital. You got to have the money. And so make sure you take care of your business, family. Get your credit up, pay yourself first, and start looking at some of these stocks opportunities. And the first couple of ones I'm going to talk about, family, I talked about the gold stocks. Well, and I'm going to put it in the description box, but I'm going to go ahead and let you know the ticker symbols of these particular companies and let you know the stock price as well as the market capitalization. What that is, market capitalization just means how much money the company is worth, all right? And like I say, the first company, guys, is going to be BTG, ticker symbol BTG. They trading at $3.28, okay? They got a market capitalization. The company is worth over $3.3 billion, so it's not a little company, even though the stock price are not selling for a lot right now, all right? But look at what gold is doing. Remember, just a couple months ago, gold was selling for $1,200 an ounce. Now it's $1,500 an ounce, all right? And at one point, in the not too distant past, gold got all the way up to $1,900 a share. I mean, $1,900 an ounce. That's what's going to be happening here pretty soon. Analysts are already predicting gold to go to over $2,000 an ounce. And so me not being an advocate of gold, now I would never, like I said, I'm not telling anybody to do anything out there that I'm not doing. I don't buy gold right now. I think gold should be something that you hedge against your investments when you have the money to do it. Guys like myself and guys like this in the garden right now, we're trying to build wealth. And you need to build wealth with liquidity. Gold isn't liquid when you have it at your house. You can't take gold to Walmart and take gold to the store and buy food. You dig? Only way you're going to capitalize by buying gold is by having somebody else buy the gold from you at the price you want to give it to them, okay? Now, I'm suggesting looking into gold stocks, because gold stocks will give you an opportunity to gain capital gain, where, like I say, if gold is going up, then guess what? Gold stocks are going to be going up as well. So remember, family, the first stock is BTG, and I'm going to put it in the description box. BTG, they trading at $3.28. HMY, they selling, and the group is called Harmony. It's a Harmony Mining Company. They trading at $2.60 a share, all right? And they got a market capitalization of $1.17 billion. All right. And then of course the last one is EGO. EGO. They trading at $8.16, and they got a market capitalization of $1.31 billion. So family, each one of these stocks that I've just given you are gold stocks under $10. And you can best believe that these particular stocks are going to go up, because anytime the price of gold goes up, the price of gold stocks goes up. All right? So make sure you do the research on that, family. Make sure you check the balance sheets of each one of these companies. Don't just listen to me. Do your own due diligence. I've checked the balance sheets, but what's significant for me may not be significant for you. And what you can invest in, everybody has their own different flavor. So make sure you have a plan of action and before you start investing. All right? So family, look into those particular companies, and I think you'll benefit from it. All right? Remember, pay yourself first. Get your money out of these banks that are robbing you. All right? Because Ally, BNC, and a couple other ones I'm gonna come back with, but particularly Ally and BNC are banks that are giving you over 2% in your savings account. All right? And if you check your savings account right now, I promise you, you're not getting 2%. And if you don't know what that means, if your bank is only giving you 0.03%, that means they only paying you 3 cents on your dollar. So you got all this money in the bank, and you're not getting paid for it. In actuality, you're losing money, because remember, inflation is 2% a year. So if inflation is 2% a year, and your bank is only giving you 0.03%, your money is losing 1.97%. Ain't nobody got time for that. Make sure you do your due diligence, family. Get your money out these banks and put your monies into high yield interest savings account. All right? Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, family. The only reason we're using these banks because they got billions of dollars to show commercials on the television. All right? To program you to do it. Don't do it because everybody else is doing it. Make your money make money. If inflation is 2% a year, you know you're losing money. You dig? So family, go ahead and look into those stocks. I'll put them in the description box. And in the meantime, between time, may the Most High and Saudi bring you joy. And being with is out of 5,000.